Hello everyone! Today we'll be reviewing how to use our quick order system and our punch-out system. When browsing our site, alternatively to using our taxonomy navigation or our search bar, for those of you who are familiar with our part numbers, you can also use our quick order features. The quick order features can be found in two locations, up here at the top and under My Account. Under quick order, there is 3 different methods to choose from. The first is called speed entry. In the keyword, you can enter a gray bar part number, a manufacturer part number, a UPC code, and customer part numbers. You can enter the same part number twice if you want, for example, different wire cuts. Then you can specify the quantity of items you would like to the right. If you are including duplicates in the keywords, you must specify whether you would like to combine them, keep them separate, or remove them. I will be combining mine, and here you will see that they have been combined. The copy and paste method works in a similar way. You can paste any part number and include the duplicates if you want. This can be especially useful if you have many part numbers in a document. The last option is to use a file upload. Using an Excel template, you can essentially recreate the output used in the other 2 methods, and our system will find the products for you. You can do up to 20 lines on the Excel file at a time. Now, taking a look at the quick order pad. The quick order pad has one extra function, as it's a smart field. As you type your keywords, options will show in a drop down below. Now I will discuss our punch-out system. Under My Account, you can configure procurement systems or Punchout catalogs. If you require a Punchout catalog for your ERP system, please contact us for more information so we can assist you in setting that up. We support many different platforms such as Ariba. That's all the information I have for you today. Thank you for joining us.